canal system in sponges. So now today is discussing about the cellular organization in sponges. What organization? Cellular organization in sponges. You know already. So protozoans are made by single cell animal. So poriferans are also made by multicellular organization. So but here what happened? Cells are more there. Till now the tissues are not properly formed. So that's why more cells, not tissue formed animals are included in porifera. So here some systems are till now not development is not takes place. It means digestive system, respiratory, circulatory. So nervous system is also not properly developed in porifera. So but what happens here? Numerous cells out there. The numerous cells can able to carry in different kind of fashion in the porifera. So that's why today topic is the cellular organization of sponges. It means in the porifera what kind of cells are present, what kind of different cells are present, what they are carried out. So now the first cells are the pinacocytes. Already you know the porifera animal body is made by two important layers, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is called as pinacoderm, inner layer is called as coeloderm. So in the pinacoderm, pinacocytes out there. So that's why in the porifera what kind of cells are there? First is the pinacocytes are present. They are present in the outer layer of the animal body. That's why the derm, the layer is called as pinacoderm. Pinacoderm generally flat cells. You know these are the pinacocytes. So generally they are presented outside of the animal body. So some rare cases what happens? These are modified. Where they are modified, especially in the ostia and osculum, where they are whatever they are modified to myocytes. So more contraction and relaxation takes place. Except ostia and osculum, remaining animal body outer surface is called by pinacocytes. So next one, choanocyte. So choanocytes are also very important modified cells present in the poriferan. So here what happens? These are the choanocytes. So choanocytes are present in the coenoderm. Coenoderm means inner layer of the animal body. So in these choanocytes are very important. Here now how they are means here collar-like shape is there. On base of the collar, a duplex structure is out there. So these shape containing cells are present in the inner layer. The layers are made by the inner layer is made by choanocytes. So in between these two layers, whatever gel-like substance is there, that is the mesoglia. In the mesoglia, numerous cells are present. They are carried out in different fashion. There are number one archaeocytes. So archaeocytes are very important cells. They have contain the special kind of characteristics containing cells. So what is special kind of character means? Totipotent. Totipotent. So in the mesenchyme of in between the two cellular layer, totipotent capacity containing undifferentiated archaeocytes are present. So through these archaeocytes, totipotent means a single cell can able to differentiate into different kind of cells. It means, for example, through the muscle cells only forming, through the nerve cells only forming, so through the epithelial tissues only forming. So this is a common phenomenon. But here what happened? A single cell can able to give into according to situation, according to animal requirement. A single cell can able to give to the all type of cell. A single cell can give to the all type of cell. Such kind of phenomena we are described as totipotent. So archaeocytes are having the totipotent capacity. So according to totipotent capacity, so what happens? A single cell, these archaeocytes can able to give the choanocyte, colonocyte, chromocyte, thymocyte. According to situation of the animal body, they can give rise to all type of cell. Such kind of phenomena we are described as totipotent. The totipotent capacity containing archaeocytes also present in the mesoderm. So mesenchyme of the two layers. So next fourth one. What is the fourth one here? Colonocyte. Colonocytes already you know network cells. So like the pseudopods like success are there. The pseudopods are can able to interlock each other. So network of the animal body can able to take place through the colonocyte. Next chromocyte. So pigmented cell. The animal body, different kind of animal body can able to different kind of colors are present. Every color is under present of the pigment. So that's why so animal body getting color under presence of chromocytes. So chromocytes also distributed throughout the body. So next thymocyte. You know already, like the liver, like that in the higher animal, like the liver store food mechanism is not there. So only what are there here? Thisocytes are present. Thisocytes can able to store the food material in the animal body. So they are reservoir, food reservoir. With the food reservoir, thisocytes are acting as a food reservoir. So next, myocytes. These are very very important cells. Myocytes are already modified pinacocytes. So here these myocytes more are present in the where osculum and ostia. So these myocytes can able to contain the more active, more contraction and relaxation capacity containing cells are called as the myocytes. So that's why more contraction, immediately more relaxation, contraction, relaxation. You know already ostia opening and closing also activities takes place through the myocyte. They are more present in the ostia and osculum. These myocytes can able to preventing the unwanted when the unwanted metals are entering the animal body through the ostia, through the contraction, relaxation, whatever they are entering here. So entering and existing, preventing through the myocyte. So next, scleroblast, skeleton formed. So it means through the scleroblast, animal body containing skeletons are formed. You know already on the base of skeleton spicules nature. So you know foraminifera are classified into three main categories. So one is the one is the Calcarea, Hexapinula, Demospongia. Here scleroblast is spicule formation takes place by the scleroblast. There are three different kinds of scleroblasts are there: calcoblast, silicoblast, spongioblast. The name is indicating calcium carbonate containing spicules are formed through the calcoblast. Silica spicules are formed through the silicoblast, and spongin fibers are formed through the spongioblast. Like that, three different kind of scleroblasts are there. On basis of according to the nature, scleroblasts are. It means scleroblast finally takes place through the spicules formation takes place through the scleroblast. The scleroblasts are three different kinds of scleroblasts are there: calcoblast, silicoblast, spongioblast. Next, trophocytes. Digestion takes place. You know, a higher animal like that, the special alimentary canal and glands are not there. Trophocytes can able to catch the food material and digestion takes place. So next, phagocytes. So phagocytes are useful for the excretion. The unwanted materials are collecting and sending outside of the animal body through the phagocytes, and also dead cells, unwanted dead cells, injured cells, damaged cells also collected. The collected materials are sent outside to the phagocyte. So next, leukocytes, till now the function is not unknown. Desmosomes also acting as a network like glad cells. Generally, these are the sedentary animals. Sedentary animal can able to attach to the surface of the any animal bottom of the surface. So these bottom of the surface attach the secretions of gland cells. Generally, gland cells are more present in the bottom of the animal body. If the gland cells are not there, gelatinous like sticky like the chemical substance is not released. If it is not released, so they are not attached to the animal body. That's why generally at the bottom of animal body, gland cells are there. Germ cells, already germ cells mean reproductive cells. That is the sperm production as well as ovum production takes place by the germ cell. So like that, approximately 11 to 12 different kind of cells are present in the animal body. They can carry it out in different fashion. Once again, I am only single word I am informing. Pinacocytes present at the outside of the animal body, outer layer, that is pinacoder. Coinocytes are present in the coinoder. Archaeocytes are present in the mesoglea of the animal body. So these are the pluripotent capacity containing cells. They can able to give rise to all type of other cells. So that's why they are very very important. Colozoid network which takes place, chromocyte, color formation takes place by the chromocyte, thisocyte, reserve food takes place by the thisocyte, myocyte, contraction and relaxation takes place through the myocyte, scleroblast, three different kinds of scleroblast, calcoblast, silicoblast, spongioblast, trophocyte, digestion takes place trophocyte, phagocyte, excretion and dead cells are collected, sent out through the phagocyte, leukocyte. Till now the functions are known. Desmocyte network like collection takes place. Gland cells are useful for the secretion of sticky-like substance to the attachment of surface of animal body. Germ cells can able to produce the sex cells, that is the sperm cell. Ohms. Like that, different kind of cells are present. Basal outer layer, inner layer, mesoglea. So they can, according to situation, they can able to function and carry out the life dealing in the foramen. Thank you.